Hey y'all, it's FabJen. I'm back and I have an empties video. Finally, I've been waiting a while to kind of grab all my empties, and the first set is going to be makeup empties. And my first one is e.l.f. Makeup Mist Set Spray. Fantastic. So I was really excited when I squirted the last bit of drop out of this, and it gets everything out of there. The pump as far as getting the product out, and it was like, you know, it's like $3. How much is it? About $3 for this on e.l.f. and it lasts me about 2 to 3 months. So that's a lot, and that's like every other day to every 2 days putting on makeup. That's pretty damn decent. Then I have this Laura Mercier mascaras. I actually have two. I have one that was clear, like a brown color. It was this one, and it was supposed to be mascara, but I use it as like a gel for my eyebrows, and it works very well for that. As far as your eyelashes, it didn't crap for my eyelashes, but it was really good for the brows, and I can't remember the name of it. If I do, I'll post it in the information box down below. And this one is the Laura Mercier mascara in black. It is just, it's gone. It's like literally dry. There's a little bit left right there, you can see, but it's not enough to coat any lashes. Really good mascara, good for every day. I really do like it. Now, will I be repurchasing these? No, a little bit too pricey for my blood, but I think the mascara, this is my second one of the Laura Mercier. I probably won't be purchasing anymore because I found some other mascara that I like Lancome and Guerlain. I'm really liking this Lancome one that I got a sample of a while back, and I do plan to get the full bottle version soon. The next one is the True Match in N8. I finished this recently. I just poured the rest in another bottle because it is empty. I don't know why it's coated like that, but it is empty. Last bit of this out, and I will be repurchasing this again when the other one runs out. And I got this Bobbi Brown sample. It's been gone for a long time. It just hurts my heart. I kind of hold on to it so I can remember to get another one, either the full version or another sample one. That's the Bobbi Brown lip gloss in Brilliant Crystal. They have one with glitter in it. Don't ask me. And then this Revlon 3D Extreme mascara. I never used one time, dried the hell out of my eyes. It was terrible. I would never repurchase this again. And this just did it for me. I just would not purchase another mascara from the drugstore. And it's so bad. If you could see this, it is really bad. It's clumped all here. I only used it one time, and the end here broke off, and as you see a little metal part. This was a horrible mascara. I don't think they make this anymore. If they don't, that is brilliant because it sucks. But yeah, that's my makeup. Subscribe if you like, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Alright, bye.